aming nakita para tiyakin na sakto ang lokasyon kung saan tayo napadpad. Mr. President, the first subject project was in Barangay Carillo, Hagonoy, Bulacan, supposedly completed on April 19, 2024. It was awarded to Darcy and Anna Builders and Trading for a sweeping price tag of 77.199 million pesos na naman. Mr. President, gusto po ba ninyo makita ang itsura ng isang 77.199 million pesos worth na riverbank protection structure? Tingnan po natin. Nasaan na nga ba? Ewan ko, Mr. President, dahil wala tayong makita. Kahit ano pang suyod ang gawin namin, hindi namin makita o mahagilap ang flood control project ng Darcy and Anna Builders.